Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very comfortable, stylish, trendy summer sandals, new designs and new collection. All sandals are very pretty and available online also. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of informative videos and updated collections of footwears and dress designing. Friends, if you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest that what you want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose, because this is the only way which you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comment there and try my level best to reply. These designs are very beautiful and available on all over the world in markets very easily, because these are in a fashion. Through this video not only you can take the designing ideas, but also you can do online shopping. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping, as this is the need of time that all the people prefer to do shopping online, so all these pair available online. Friends, if you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. I am sure that you will admire this video too, like previous collections. With the help of these collections, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the styles and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection for yourself. Style, comfortability, simplicity and practicality, all these features you will find here in this collection of different sorts of footwears. Clip toe slingback design is one of the best design for summer season. Animal prints like tiger, leopard and snake skin print look so stylish and fashionable in summer and spring season. Double strip slingback design, long block chunky heel looks so stylish in formal occasions. Peep toe style back open sandal, flat sandal best design for casual wear. Multi strip slingback design mid block chunky heel is best design for office wear. Peep toe style slingback design wedge heel looks so stylish with jeans and pants. All these designs are very pretty and beautiful. Such type of sandals are best for creating unique type of style in your personalities. I am sure that you will find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. In this collection you will see different types of those heels designs and flat sandals which are very practical, comfortable, stylish and popular all over the world among ladies. Very beautiful and trending collections of all those sandals which are in fashion, and these are very popular designs with breathable style. Snake skin printed strip sandals look so stylish and elegant. In this video I will show you all variations of footwears collection with super soft material and eye-catching colors. These styles are very popular and stylish. Wide cross strap slingback design is best designed for casual wear. Now sandals are designed with different type of accessories like pearls, beads, stones, stars are attached on footwears to design the beautiful footwears. Double strip back open design, peep toe style slingback design, breathable design with best for summer season and looks so trendy. Two-tone sandals design is one of the best color combination, best design for girls. Double strip slingback design, thin, medium, wide straps are used to design such type of beautiful footwears. Super comfortable collection with you are watching here with eye-catching colors. Sling bag, zipper bag, back open style of these sandals with chunky styles of heel, platform sole, wedge styles trending going on nowadays. Closed toe sandal is best designed for walk and daily activities. Because all of these footwears are popular all over the world among ladies, because of its styles, young ladies love to wear such type of footwears for their outfits with different types of bottoms designs like pants, jeans and trousers etc. And because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwears at workplace. These are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time you will feel super comfort under these footwears. I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too, so that you also come to know about these designs which are in fashion and according to your choice. Different type of wedge style, platform sole, slip resistant sole, slingback sandals and multi-strip sandals designs you are watching here in this collection. Different type of very decent and beautiful designs of all those sandals, best perfect fit with your all outfits. This is one of the collection which is fit for your casual wear plus formal wear, especially office wear and party wear too. Very stylish and comfortable sandals design you are enjoying here. Peep toe style slingback design, wedge heel looks so stylish and pretty with girls. Some of the platform sole and wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those sandal style chunky styles of heels and mid heel designs you can keep for your formal wear and party wear. Silver and black color contrast looks so stylish and pretty. White cross strap slingback design is best designed for all age group ladies. The colors of these sandals are very decent, and some sandals are in bright colors. I hope you like these designs. Friends, if you like this collection, please thumbs up for this video, means to say hit the like button. And if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notification of new uploads. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and designer dresses new collections very easily. Peep toe style slingback design block chunky heel is best designed for girls and ladies. Both printed and plain sandals are included here in this collection. I am sure that you love to see this beautiful collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.